Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MEIZU M8 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down and find notifications and status bar. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see in the status bar section at the very bottom, we've got the show battery percentage option. So of course it is right now turned off because we've got only the battery indicator, but if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see immediately next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave like this. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your MEIZU M8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.